Hey there, it's great to have you back on my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money from Facebook, and we have a lot to cover in this video, so grab a snack and let's get started. Facebook is more than just a social media platform. It's a powerful tool that can help you generate income in many ways. You don't need to have any specific skills or qualifications to start making money on Facebook. All you need is a little bit of creativity and determination. So, let's dive into the first way to make money from Facebook. Sell products on the Facebook Marketplace. The Facebook Marketplace is a platform where you can buy and sell items within your local community. This is a great opportunity for people who have items to sell, whether it's new or used items, handmade crafts, or products they've created themselves. To sell on the Facebook Marketplace, all you need to do is take a photo of the item you want to sell, set a price, and write a description. Potential buyers can contact you through Facebook Messenger, and you can negotiate the price and arrange for payment and delivery. Selling on the Facebook Marketplace is completely free, and you get to keep 100% of the profits. It's a great way to declutter your home and earn some extra cash at the same time. Become a Facebook influencer. If you have a large following on Facebook, you can become a social media influencer and partner with brands to promote their products or services. As an influencer, you'll have the opportunity to work with different brands and earn money through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and other partnerships. To become an influencer on Facebook, you need to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. You also need to engage with your followers regularly, respond to comments and messages, and build a strong personal brand. One of the benefits of being a Facebook influencer is that you can work with brands in different niches, from fashion to beauty to technology. You can also earn a substantial income, depending on the size of your following and the partnerships you secure. Join Facebook groups. Facebook groups are communities where people with similar interests can connect, share ideas, and offer support. If you're looking to make money on Facebook, joining relevant groups can be a great way to network with other people and potentially find new business opportunities. For example, if you're a photographer, you can join groups for photography enthusiasts and offer your services to other members. You can also showcase your work, collaborate with other photographers, and learn from industry experts. Joining Facebook groups is free, and it's a great way to build relationships with like-minded people. Just be sure to follow the group's rules and guidelines, and avoid spamming or promoting your services excessively. Run Facebook ads for businesses. If you have experience with Facebook ads, you can offer your services to small businesses looking to advertise on the platform. Running Facebook ads can be a great way to generate leads and sales for businesses, and many business owners are willing to pay for expert help. To run Facebook ads for businesses, you need to have a solid understanding of Facebook's ad platform, including targeting options, ad formats, and bidding strategies. You also need to be able to create high-converting ad copy and creative that resonates with the target audience. Running Facebook ads for businesses can be a lucrative business, especially if you specialize in a specific niche or industry. can charge clients based on the results you deliver, such as the number of clicks, conversions, or impressions. Create your own Facebook group or page. Finally, if you have a specific niche or interest, you can create your own Facebook group or page and monetize it. This is a great option for people who are passionate about a particular topic or industry and want to build a community around it. To create your own Facebook group or page, you need to have a clear idea of your niche and your target audience. You also need to be able to create engaging content that resonates with your followers and encourages them to engage with your page. Once you have built a sizable following, you can monetize your group or page in several ways. For example, you can sell digital products, such as e-books or online courses, to your followers. You can also run sponsored posts or affiliate marketing campaigns and earn a commission on sales. Overall, there are many ways to make money from Facebook, and it's a platform that offers something for everyone. Whether you want to sell products, become an influencer, or run ads for businesses, there's a way to turn your passion into profit on Facebook. So, that's it for this video. I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you have any other ways to make money from Facebook, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money online.